Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on how to grow a bonsai tree. Bonsai trees are beautiful and elegant plants that can be enjoyed for many years. They are also relatively easy to care for, making them a great choice for beginners. So let's find how to grow a bonsai tree. Choosing the right tree species. The first step in growing a bonsai tree is choosing the right tree species. There are many different types of trees that can be grown as bonsai, but some are better suited for beginners than others. When choosing a tree species, it is important to consider the following factors. The climate in your area. Some tree species are more tolerant of cold weather than others. The amount of sunlight your tree will receive. Some tree species need full sun, while others can tolerate partial shade. The size of the tree. Some tree species grow very large, so they are not suitable for bonsai. If you are a beginner, I recommend choosing a tree species that is easy to care for and that is tolerant of a variety of conditions. Some good choices for beginners to grow a bonsai tree. Ficus, juniper, Chinese elm, dwarf Alberta spruce, Japanese maple. Planting and potting your bonsai tree. Once you have chosen a tree species, you need to plant it in a bonsai pot. Bonsai pots are shallow and have drainage holes. The soil you use for your bonsai tree is also important. Bonsai soil is a special type of soil that is designed to retain water and nutrients. You can buy bonsai soil at most garden centers. To plant your bonsai tree, follow these steps. Fill the bonsai pot with bonsai soil. Place the tree in the pot and adjust the soil so that it is level. Water the tree thoroughly. Watering, fertilizing, and pruning your bonsai tree. Water your bonsai tree regularly, but don't overwater it. The soil should be kept moist, but not soggy. Fertilize your bonsai tree once a month during the growing season, spring and summer. Use a balanced fertilizer that is specifically designed for bonsai trees. Pruning is used to shape and control the growth of your bonsai tree. Prune your tree as needed to maintain its desired shape. Wiring and styling your bonsai tree. Wiring is a technique used to bend and shape the branches of your bonsai tree. It is a more advanced technique that should only be done by experienced bonsai enthusiasts. Styling is the art of creating a beautiful and balanced bonsai tree. It is a creative process that can be enjoyed by beginners and experienced bonsai enthusiasts alike. Overwintering your bonsai tree. If you live in a cold climate, you will need to overwinter your bonsai tree indoors. To do this, move your tree to a cool, dark place and water it less frequently. Conclusion. Growing a bonsai tree is a rewarding hobby that can be enjoyed for many years. By following the tips in this video, you can grow a healthy and thriving bonsai tree that will bring you joy for years to come. Thank you for watching my video on how to grow a bonsai tree. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more bonsai content. Thanks again, and happy bonsai growing!